Barratry. Barratry is the illegal act of frequently and maliciously instigating groundless lawsuits or legal disputes. In some jurisdictions, this concept is also known as champerty, maintenance, or vexatious litigation. In maritime law, it uniquely refers to gross misconduct by a ship's crew that damages the vessel's owner. Historically, common law systems in the UK and the US strictly criminalized Barratry to prevent courts from being overwhelmed. The goal was to stop opportunistic individuals from stirring up frivolous quarrels purely for personal or financial gain. Today, criminal prosecutions for Barratry are quite rare. However, the underlying principle survives through modern court rules that heavily penalize vexatious litigants and unethical lawyers. Judges can sanction attorneys who habitually file baseless claims just to harass the opposing party. For example, consider an aggressive attorney who actively seeks out minor car accidents in a hospital waiting room. The attorney illegally pressures the slightly injured drivers into filing massive, completely fabricated lawsuits against the other drivers. The attorney knows the claims have absolutely no legal merit, but hopes for quick settlement payouts. If the local legal regulatory board discovers this systematic pattern of instigating fraudulent litigation, they will intervene. The attorney could face severe disciplinary action and potential disbarment for committing Barratry.